sitting by the window at this old truck stop tonight, watching rows of chrome glow beneath the neon light. Every rig's a memory, every cab a mile, every road I conquered with a worn out smile. Coffee's gone cold, but my thoughts still roll, counting all the highways that once filled my soul. The engines keep on humming while mine fades away, wondering if heaven's got a place for me someday. When this old heart takes its final ride, will there be a road on the other side? Is there a truck stop in the sky where 18 wheels forever fly, where diesel angels call my name and every old friend is the same? No more pain, no more tears to hide, just endless highways side by side. When I lay these old keys down for good, Lord, park me where the truckers stood. The doctor spoke so quietly, but I heard every word. Cancer's taken more than we had ever feared. Now every sunrise feels like borrowed time, every shifting gear, another finish line. I've hauled this nation's dreams through the rain and snow. Now there's just one final road I've gotta go. I ain't afraid of dying, just leaving all I know. And the brothers of the blacktop who helped me carry the load, I can almost hear them laughing on the CB once again, calling out my handle like it never had to end. Old Jake and Crazy Charlie, Big Red and Wild Bill too, waiting by a coffee pot with a familiar view. We'll swap those endless stories that never lost their spark, about mountain roads at midnight and lonely trailer parks. No deadlines, no dispatchers, no storm we can't outrun, just forever chasing morning with the rising sun. Is there a truck stop in the sky where 18 wheels forever fly, where diesel angels call my name and every old friend is the same? No more pain, no more tears to hide, just endless highways side by side. When I lay these old keys down for good, Lord, park me where the truckers stood. So if tomorrow finds me on my final mile, don't you cry too long, just remember my smile. Keep the rubber rolling and let the air horns sing, 'cause every road must end before new journeys begin. Leave my coffee on the counter, my boots beside the door. I'll be chasing golden highways forevermore. And when your own ride's over, don't fear the setting sun. I'll save you a parking space until your run is done. Yes, there's a truck stop in the sky where broken souls can finally fly, where every mile was worth the drive and love keeps every dream alive. No more cancer, no more goodbyes, just open roads beyond the skies. When I lay these old keys down for good, Lord, I'll finally be home where I always stood, at the truck stop in the sky.